All right, let's give this a try. I'm going to show you how I put a distressed look on this Texas flag yesterday. First of all, we have to make a vector version of the flag, which I've already got, as you can see here. This part here is supposed to be white. I made it gray so we can see it. We can also always make it white afterwards. First thing we need is a texture, so we'll go to Google Images and we'll type in here wood texture. It really doesn't matter what you choose. I look for something that's interesting, and it doesn't have to be very large. So what we'll do is we'll run down here and see. That's very large. I found it froze my system up the last time I did something like that. So let's try this one right here. Okay, we right click on it, copy the image, go back to Inkscape, right click, paste it in place. There it is right there. And then I use a shortcut key, or you can go up here to where it says path trace bitmap. Notice right here it says colors, it says 8. You can drop that down if you want to somewhere around 4 or 5. We basically just want to get some of the lines. Once we do that, we hit OK. Give it a second, and there it goes. It has traced the texture. We pull off the copy. We can get rid of this now because we don't really need it, so we'll just delete it. Now, when it traces, it groups everything together, so we have to go up to Object and Ungroup, and then we'll just start pulling it apart. There's one color, there's another color, there's a third color. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. There's the fourth color. Obviously, we don't want that one, so we can delete it. That one's a little heavy. We don't want that one either. We can delete it. That one, we don't want either. This one we want, however. Now, what you can do is you can go down here at the bottom and choose whatever color you want. I just make it black. And we take this and lay it over top of the flag where we want it to be. Now, I will tell you this, this flag is broken into 3 parts, the gray, which represents the white, the red, and the blue. So we need to make 3 copies of this overlay of texture. So if you hold your control key down, you can hit the letter D, control D, once and twice. So we have 3 copies now. Okay, so we choose one copy. Choose one color. Hold the shift key down and choose the first one, the second one, then we go up to path and difference. Okay. Then we choose the distressed piece again. Hold the shift key down, click another color. In this case, it didn't work that time there. There, I got one, and there. And then we go up to path and hit difference. And then we choose the red, and we choose the distressed piece again. Back up to path, difference. Okay. And now we have our distressed flag. To show you what it is, I'll put a color behind it. Just draw me a rectangle and click and send it to the back. And we'll change this to a neutral color, something like that. Okay, so there you have your distressed look. Your distressed flag is done. We've done this in less than 5 minutes. Let's see how this video works out. If it's something beneficial, I'll try to make more, and I'll even try to be more professional next time. Thank you.